Hi, this is Dr. Ty from Premier Orthodontics, and if you're watching this video, there's a good chance that you already have a retainer. In order for your teeth to stay straight for life, your retainers will be a lifelong commitment. But that being said, one set of retainers isn't going to last you the rest of your life. In this video, we're going to explain how you can get a replacement retainer, so let's get started. At some point, you will need to get a replacement retainer. It could be months or years away, but eventually it's going to happen. So first, let's talk about how you can tell if you need a replacement retainer. Some of the signs to watch for include your retainer is worn down or beginning to get holes in it, your retainer is cracked or broken, your retainer is severely discolored, your retainer is no longer fitting properly, you've lost your retainer, or you stopped wearing your retainer and now it doesn't fit. If any of the items on this list applies to you, it's time to look into getting a replacement retainer. So what are the actual steps involved with getting a replacement retainer? Depending on what type of technology your orthodontist uses, getting a replacement retainer may look a little different. We'll outline the general process for getting a replacement retainer that should apply to most orthodontic offices. The first step is the orthodontist needs to get a model of your teeth. Your orthodontist may need to schedule you to come into the office to get a 3D scan of your teeth or an impression. Using this scan or impression, they'll then make a model of your teeth. Some orthodontist offices give their patients a plastic model of their teeth with their initial retainers when the braces are removed. If you have a model of your teeth, you can often take this to your orthodontist and they can use the model to make your replacement retainer. Some offices may store your models or 3D scans of your teeth. If this is the case, the office may be able to use that scan or model that they have in storage and save you a visit to the office. Once the orthodontist has a proper model of your teeth, they can produce a replacement retainer. This may be done in-house or by an outside lab. The orthodontist will usually have you come in the office to try on the replacement retainer and make sure it's a good fit. Many people are curious if you can get a replacement retainer from someone besides your original orthodontist. The short answer is yes. Many people go off to school or move states or won't be close to the orthodontist who did their original braces or Invisalign treatment. But no matter where you go, chances are you will be needing a replacement retainer at some point in your life. In cases like this, it's completely fine to see a different orthodontist. Most patients are curious about the cost to replace a retainer. This may vary depending on the office and which type of retainer you're wanting. Many orthodontists, including Premier Orthodontics, include free replacement retainers for a certain period of time after braces or Invisalign. For someone who has been finished with braces for a long period of time, or someone that didn't originally have braces or Invisalign with our office, it generally costs $250 to replace a retainer. Some offices may have programs available where you can order multiple sets of replacement retainers at a quantity discount. It's a good idea to ask your orthodontist about their costs of replacement retainers and ask if pre-purchase plans are available where you can get a discount. Hopefully this video provided you some general information about how to get a replacement retainer. Keep in mind that each orthodontic office will be a little bit different, so the processes and fees will inevitably vary. The best way to get started with getting a replacement retainer is to call the orthodontic office. Everything you need to know, including the costs and timeframes, can be easily answered in a phone call. If you live in the Phoenix, Arizona area and you need a replacement retainer, feel free to give us a call or visit our website linked in the description for more information. If you have any questions about retainers, feel free to ask them in the comments section below. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a like. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more braces related content and make sure to tap that bell. Thank you so much for watching and we'll talk to you soon.